High blood pressure is a silent killer. You may have it today and feel completely normal, while it quietly damages your heart, brain, kidneys, and eyes. Peace be upon you. Today's discussion is about a very important condition called blood pressure. I will try to explain what blood pressure actually is. Look, on the left side of our body, Allah has placed the king of our organs, the heart. This heart is a very strong muscle. Its job is to contract and expand forcefully. When it expands, blood enters it. And when it contracts, blood is pumped out. One part of it, the right side, sends blood to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood is purified because air enters through breathing and oxygen mixes with it. The blood then returns to the left side of the heart, and the muscle on the left side contracts forcefully, sending blood throughout the body. This blood reaches every single cell. You can think of blood as the body's transportation system. Just as transportation is needed to carry things from one place to another, blood carries oxygen and nutrients from the intestines to every cell. It also carries waste materials and substances that need to be removed from the body back to where they need to go. To understand it simply, blood is our body's transportation and communication system. Now, when the heart beats forcefully and pumps blood, pressure develops inside the blood vessels. This pressure is called the upper pressure or systolic blood pressure. When you visit a doctor and they tell you your blood pressure is 120/80 or 140/90, the upper number represents the pressure created when the heart contracts and pumps blood into the arteries. When the heart relaxes and fills with blood again, the pressure in the blood vessels decreases. The lowest level it reaches is called the lower pressure or diastolic blood pressure. Every person has blood pressure. For understanding, consider that a normal adult's upper blood pressure is around 120 millimeters of mercury. Millimeters of mercury. The lower pressure is around 80 millimeters of mercury. There is a normal range, so it can be slightly higher or lower. High blood pressure is a condition in which the pressure inside the blood vessels becomes elevated. When this happens, blood reaches organs with excessive force. Over time, this begins to damage certain organs, especially the kidneys, the eyes, the blood vessels in the brain, and even the heart's own blood vessels. Although everyone has blood pressure, when it remains persistently high, it gradually starts damaging these organs. That is why it is very important to keep blood pressure under control. Why does blood pressure increase? There are many reasons, but broadly speaking, one reason can be that the heart muscle becomes thicker and pumps with greater force. Certain heart diseases may require the heart to generate higher pressure to circulate blood. However, the most common reason is that our arteries lose their ability to expand and contract properly. They become stiff and hard. When blood pressure rises, healthy arteries can stretch and accommodate it. But if the arteries become rigid like pipes, they cannot expand properly, and the pressure inside them increases. There are many causes for this, including high cholesterol, the buildup of other substances inside blood vessels, smoking, certain kidney diseases that produce chemicals causing blood vessels to constrict. In many cases, we do not know the exact cause, and blood vessels simply become stiffer with age, leading to higher blood pressure. Since not everyone watching is a doctor or medically trained, this basic understanding is sufficient. However, the next points are very important. Our blood pressure should remain below a certain level. If it rises above that level, you may not feel any symptoms. Many people say, I don't have any symptoms of high blood pressure, or I know my blood pressure is high when I get a headache. Please remember this. You can have high blood pressure without any symptoms at all. You may feel completely normal while your blood pressure is actually elevated. Another important point is that high blood pressure gradually damages organs over time. Sometimes it is only. So when this video ends, take one simple step that could protect your life. Get your blood pressure checked, follow your doctor's advice, and take control of your health before high blood pressure takes control of you.